Now let us start the real practical things. Now, when we start, you should always remember that you are a part of the planet Earth. You are also a part of the planet Earth. The tree is alive because it is a part of the earth. And all the trees, when I say tree, I mean everything that has roots, the grass or a big plant or a forest or this. Whether it is in India or here or anywhere on planet Earth, it has its roots with Earth. And from where it gets its food? From Earth. And you see the peculiarity in the plants. You sow a mango seed and a neem trees, same place, side by side. But from earth, this is able to get what is required for developing a mango fruit, and this to develop a neem. Or suppose you put some rose tree, it develops into a rose. The same earth. Now we are going to practice our ability to gather energy and abilities from planet Earth, and because we are able to move, we have to learn to get energy from the sun. And in trees also do the same thing. In botany, the first experiment I have read is in a dark box experiment. Any of you know the dark box experiment? A small plant is put in a dark box and a hole is made somewhere there and in another box somewhere here. Sunlight comes from this side into the dark box, and in the other box sunlight comes from the other side. The plant grows that side. So this is the meditation. We start with dharana naturally. We will go into meditation, and then what happens? We are gone. The sun and earth remain. We are ready? So sit. Those who can sit cross-legged and those who can do Padmasana, do that. But don't force it. Never force any asana, you remember it. When I was learning asanas, in Bangalore there is a Zindal, you know the company Zindal, aluminum factory. They had a nature cure hospital. So I joined there because of my personal problems. And there, from Rajasthan, a giant came, 220 kg weight, 6.5 feet heavy, and his problem is pain in one knee joint. Since 2 years he said I was having this pain and nobody could cure. I heard that in nature cure it is possible to be cured. Then I never had a belief in nature cure when I went to Zindal. I was forced to go there. So when he was complaining, then the doctor there was said, okay, give me 6 weeks, you will be okay. I said, ये तो बढ़िया जोक है. उस समय हमारा मन की बात कर रहा हूँ. मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूँ ना कि अभी मैं बताने वाला चीज़ आपको ऐसे ही जोक लगेगा, इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ. मैं तैयार कर रहा हूँ आपको, जो मैं साधना बता रहा हूँ आप हंसे ना. और यही चीज़ हम आपको सिखाने भी वाला हूँ, किस तरह खींचना है उसको. तो पहला दिन मैं जानबूझ के उसके बगल में बैठा कि देखें कैसे पद्मासन लगाएगा. और उन्होंने कहा बिना पद्मासन के तो कुछ होने वाला नहीं, तुमको तो करना है. तो कहा बाबा हमारा पाँव ही नहीं मुड़ता है तो हम पद्मासन कहाँ लगाएंगे. और फिर जांग सिर्फ इतना ही था, बड़ा नहीं था. 220 kg वेट, तो जांग आप सोच सकते हैं हाथ कितने मोटे थे. और आदमी भी ज़रा लंबा था, ऑलमोस्ट 6.5 फीट. तो एक दिन बीता, 2 दिन बीता, योगासना वाला टीचर आके कहता था पाँव मोड़ो पाँव मोड़ो पाँव मोड़ो. कहाँ मुड़ेगा वो. लेकिन 21वें दिन वो बैठ सका, पद्मासन तो नहीं लगा पाया लेकिन पाँव मुड़ गया और he could make it. So the secret of asanas is not exerting your physical body. It is the mental body which should be exerted, that it can do it. And when it can do it, do it. Don't force it. If you force it, it is a physical exercise. I could explain what I want you to do. Never, never, never force your physical body into a physical posture, but force your mind to see that it is molded. And if the mind is properly molded, within few months, every posture you can get it. But if you do it physically, you strain it. And when a teacher asks you to strain, there is a danger of a tension in the nerves. हाँ, वो पांचों किताब आ गई? ये हमारी सिद्धि है यार, treasure आ गया. That is how you should analyze. I am not joking. I want it, I got it. And what did I do? I never asked. But it happens. In nature it happens because everything you want is in nature. You just know how to catch it. No, it's okay. So now, why I gave this example is those who cannot sit on in cross legs, don't try it, but attempt mentally. Visualize yourself as if you are trying cross leg. And if you can sit it, it's okay. So first step all of you have done. I am now starting the practical session. And this is the basis for the earth principle. I told you that I will give you asanas and pranayama so that you can get the siddhis and navnidhis by these single, but only single thing will not help. You have to exert more and more. And these books will help you to get guidance. And the best guidebooks which you have to follow letter by letter is जीवन देवता साधना के स्वर्णिम सूत्र, क्रांतिधर्मी साहित्य का वो एक किताब है, और जीवन देवता साधना का साधना और आराधना, book number 7.
Book number 7, book number 19.
This is book number 7 and book number 19. There you get all these what I am telling.